Hey guys, here we are. Alois just got a new phone, the iPhone 16.
Yes.
And we're matching today outfits.
Tony quería hacer matching, bro.
How was the experience?
It was fun. It was so fast. Like, bien rápido, así, rapidito. Todo así. Y I did the setup already. Ya lo tengo set up. Y nos van a atropellar otra vez, bro.
Ahí later hacemos unas pictures para calar el new phone.
For real.
Bye. Okay, bye. Hey, nuestro first vlog en el new phone de Alo.
Damn, bro. Ya agarró mi phone así, como que si fuera de él.
How do you feel con tu new phone?
I feel like
Actually,
proud.
you should just buy it for me. Here.
Bro.
Ese es el tuyo.
Bro. Oh, we're gonna trade.
Ay!
Bro, esta gente está bien loca. I can't.
Oh, you can flip it. Oh my god, se me ven todas mis imperfections.
Damn, bro. ¿Y esas hamburguesas? Oh my god, the camera's too good. Just kidding.
Dude, are they burned?
Oh my damn, your flash is bright.
Dude, she's not a
You
vlogger,
guys,
no?
buzz. Oh yeah, that's Bernie por si no la reconocían.
What's up, guys?
Tony cleaning the
Como
dishes.
siempre, bro.
That's right. Donde perteneces. Just kidding. Just kidding. Guys, hicimos estos pizza bites or pizza. ¿Cómo se
Pizza
dice?
rolls, yeah.
Pizza.
Big
Sliders.
Pizza sliders. A ver qué tal están, eh. Hey guys, happy November. What? I don't know why I thought it was already like a new month.
Happy November 20th.
Go watch the new vlog, I just uploaded it. So we're here, we just got out the gym. Y me trajeron a este lugar.
It's over there.
Se llama Bagels.
Se llama County Farm Bagels.
County Farm Bagels.
It's local.
Supposedly que es bien rico, pero pues we'll see how big it is, ¿verdad?
It's good, dude.
I got
Oh,
a,
this is the sweet one. Yeah.
I got a sandwich.
Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. This
Oh
is
my
this is the
God.
French toast bagel with honey almond cream cheese. Look at that.
And this is a cheddar jalapeno with bacon, egg, and cheese.
Ooh, looks good.
And then glute spread. I'm just kidding.
And who?
Glutes. The glute spread.
Watch my coffee, it's right behind you.
What glute spread? Huh?
Nothing.
What's going on?
Have you ever heard of
Wait.
like?
I'll be right back. This is my sandwich. Looks pretty good.
Bro, that shit's so funny.
Bro, Jackie's talking nonsense over here.
Oh my god.
Ooh, look at that cheese smell. I can't do this. I can't record and do this. I'm sorry. This is us in 4K. Testing out the new camera.
What's the name of
You
the
still
camera?
okay? What's going on?
DJI Osmo 3. It comes with the mic. So
Para que se lo ponga uno aquí. Ajá.
yeah, so if we're
A
like,
ver, vamos a ver cómo,
outside.
cómo se ve el sound así con...
Tony, are you ready to go?
Hey, today is... What day is today? Saturday, the
It's-
23rd.
Oh, it takes forever. Oh, the focus is pretty good. Okay. We're gonna go buy a car for Tony.
¿Podemos poner esto like en tu car?
Yeah, and this is my car.
Le decía lo que me vendiera el suyo y no quiso.
Because I like my car.
Pero you can get a better car. Red seat and everything.
This is my OOTD porque ya ves que...
Ya va a explotar el otro car.
I forgot I had the mic.
Ya llegó like 20 minutes on.
A ver si llega el dealer.
What do you think? I'm gonna come back with a car or without a car?
I think you are.
With a car?
Because
Aquí
look,
vamos a poner una picture de me with my car. I'm just kidding. This.
Tony va a comprar un carro.
Oh my god, el vlog.
Es el de aquí.
Oh. This is the car, un Honda Civic. Civic, right? ¿O es el...
It's in a corner.
¿Es el Accord? ¿O My bad, I know, my
comprando,
bad.
bro.
Apenas estoy enseñándome a ser un adulto, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Y andamos comprando un carro para Tony,
Yeah.
porque el carro que traía ya era una alberca completa.
Oye, ese sí es bueno para la nieve.
Oh yeah. Pues es forward.
Con las cuatro.
Hey guys.
No hemos comido. Voy a beber.
Y el burro.
Oye, ¿por qué si no hemos
¿No han
comido?
comido?
No hemos comido. Just kidding, we have.
No chequé el refrigerador, llegué y para arriba.
It's already super late. Me quiero ir a la casa, bro.
Meten adentro porque ni...
You guys, this is the car that's on my back. Damn. Carro del año and shit.
No, ahora ya hay que
Actually-
trabajar más duro.
It's actually really
Trabajando
nice.
duro, ahora más duro, con más ganas.
Oh my gosh.
Ya tenemos más, ¿cómo se dice?
Whoa.
Más tecnología.
More, ¿cómo se dice?
That's actually
Más
insane.
producción.
We have
Yeah.
more production now.
We have better video quality, guys.
Yeah.
And that's not even 4K, look. Okay, guys, this is our little Thanksgiving. Friendsgiving. We got Wingstop. Some freaking Takis, bro.
Some chips.
Lays.
Those are so good.
Tony. Jackie. What are we starting off with?
We're starting off the night with Jack Daniel's Southern Peach.
Mine
Okay.
is the... Oh, it's the same one.
Be like,
no.
hi, my name is
Citrus.
Jackie.
And this is my first
Hi, my
drink.
name is Jackie, and this is my first drink.
Hey, here, Tony. This is my drink first.
What?
What?
My first
Are you
drink.
okay, bro? You're having a stroke.
Anyways, we
this
got
is the game.
this. I don't know. It's these cards will get you drunk. Sabrá cómo se juega, but
We'll see if they actually get a stroke.
And then we got that one over there.
We have this little board game. It has like different things on here. And this is my drink.
Es como jalada, ¿no?
Yep.
Es como jalada.
It's pretty good. I put chamoy tajin on it.
Jaladas. Cuando haces con una saw. Así, le das 60 strokes.
I'll catch you guys later.
Mira, hija. Acá.
Diles hi.
Okay, YouTuber. For real. I've seen that camera on TikTok.
She'll buy today. Or like a couple days ago.
Like, encourage.
Huh?
So
Little
professional.
vlog.
So
Otra? Next?
professional for us.
Next.
¿Quién es ese?
Tiana influencer. Wait, why does it kind of look like a microphone?
It does have a microphone.
La chiquilla está re emocionada con la canción. ¿Le gusta?
Just got out of church.
Hey, traemos chofer today.
We had fun yesterday, but you know you still have to go to church. And
Bro, en la church me
ground
estaba dando una
yourself.
headache, pero like, nah.
Really?
Yes, por esto me daban ganas de vomitar.
No, that's crazy. Where are we going, Jackie?
We're gonna go to Einstein Bagels.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're 7, bro.
Yes.
Those look.
Is this? No, I think this one's okay. This one's mine.
Oh, the energy drink. This one's mine.
Oh my god!
Hi, Jackie. Cool.
Right?
There.
Thank you. Thank you too. Bro, qué pedo, no mames, bro. Like, no fucks, dude, no fucks given. I was like, wait a minute. Dude, what the fuck? Oh my god. Bro, se estaba tocando. You didn't see that?
See that?
What do you mean?
Bro, he was touching
Bro,
his
how
freaking
can
dick.
you? Jackie left already. We're here at the ATM getting money. I'm gonna get a haircut. This is the before. Yeah, bro. Because tomorrow vamos a hacer algo especial. So me tengo que ver guapo. Also también por Thanksgiving, though. Ok, pues, dejen porque vamos a decir el pin. Y no se puede decir.
Why is it so long? Estamos in the library. Okay, who is he? Damn.
The same person, just... Ay.
Oh, what?
Que no carga la computadora. It's okay.
We're at the library, Tony Steady. Yo estoy pasando my files right here.
And I'm trying to pass my exam.
Got some Dunkin'. He still hasn't drank his 7 brew. See y'all later.
Hey guys. You can talk loud because estamos en un stereo room. I just wanted to let you guys que ya me corté el hair. It's just a laughter. Down a little fade. I'm studying con Alo. She's here. I'm waiting a que la pinche computer cargue, bro. We're gonna study for my APA exam because I didn't pass type 3 and type 1. So I'm gonna lock in. Process del card. I know, bro, I'm breaking out. Es que ando muy estresado. Ya andamos llenando, estamos tomando Starbucks.
We haven't even started the financing stuff. Like, we still have to go through the finances. So no, we're gonna be here like another hour. ¿Y sin comer?
Sin comer, motherfucker.
Oh my god, guys, I look like shit. It's Thanksgiving. It's already 5 o'clock and I'm still in my pajama. And we just barely finished making the food. Actually, we're still making food.
We both did. Who left us in charge of all the food this year?
Bruh, for real, we've been at it since like 12 o'clock. And I worked last night, so I didn't get home till like 8:30, 45. I woke up at fucking 12. I've been cooking all fucking day. I'm so tired, bro.
They left
for
us
real.
the main dish. And
my
they
mom's
did
been
all
at
the
work
desserts.
all day, and it's just been me and Pita, and Tony's been cleaning the house the whole day, like, bro. But we're gonna go get ready right now, and then we're gonna show you guys what we made. I'm gonna.
So we look rough right now.
Yeah, for real. Catch y'all later.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi guys.
Today is the
Thanksgiving. 28.
28 Thanksgiving.
Ya nos alistamos.
La dinner.
We're gonna go say hi to our guests que ya llegaron y nosotros aquí, bro.
Like 2 hours ago.
But first,
Cheers. Un chingo de chamoy.
ya me enchilé, bro. We're gonna go show you guys.
The food, yeah.
We're gonna go show you the food that we spent all fucking day cooking.
We ate with the food. What we having?
You wanna do a fit check?
Okay.
Okay.
Outfit.
Where's your shirt from?
I think it is from Calvin Klein. I wear it before. And then jeans. And then Crocs. Basic. Little basic. Nike. Comfy. Dope.
My shirt is from Hollister. Jackie me la regaló, actually.
Damn. Shout out to Jackie.
Shout out to Jackie. And then my pants are from
Bien triste,
American
bro.
Eagle. And then I just have my Crocs. Because we're just going to be in the sala, you guys.
Okay, bye.
Oh my god, you're so beautiful. I love your outfit. Wow.
OOTD.
Where's your outfit from?
This is from Ross.
Okay.
I don't know.
Cute. This is the mac and cheese. little salad bar. I'm recording. Some corn. I'm a vlogger. Uy, el arroz. Some mashed potatoes. Bread. Y la birria, dude. Holy cow.
Bryce. A ver la birria, ¿no?
I'm gonna get food.
A ver la.
Not my phone.
Es que no encontré el mío.
el aluminio.
Shit.
What? Aluminum one? Para que se vea.
We're just standing here like, are you done? We're just...
I'm sorry.
Y el ham. Faltó el ham. Oh.
está el ham.
Look over there, the ham.
Sorry, mommy, hold on.
Sheesh.